Kasi,
Kaya sa pamagitan nito, we are raising the awareness of people
yes,
on the possible ill effects
tama
of
po.
the wrong use of media.
Yes. Yun
Especially because ito ay namamagnify through the social media.
Yun po ang advocacy ng Kapisanan. Ang Kapisanan, hindi naman natin pinipersonal si Mr. Vice Ganda or si Ayon Perez. But we are here because of our advocacy. Now, we should be a responsible social media user. So, yun advocacy natin. So, hindi natin pinipersonal si Mr. Vice Ganda o yung kaniyang boyfriend. Hindi. Nagkakataon lang na based on our research, based on our legal study, may violation siya sa batas. So, hindi lang, maybe after this, in few weeks or few months from now, kung may nakita kaming violation of using social media, based on the instruction of the board, maybe, depende sa ating presidente, maybe we will file. I'm just a lawyer, I'm just helping them. But in this case, kung ano yung nakita nila na may violation, because we are, the Kapisanan will act as a watchdog of any violations sa cyberspace natin